Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we will have a very special LED headlights video series. Yes, you heard me right. We will have a full review of Novsight's LED products, and to start the series, we will take a closer look at Novsight's N12Y LED headlights. This video is proudly supported by Novsight Auto Lighting. Now, just a quick background, the global patent brand Novsight specializes in the design, research and development, production, and sales of automotive lighting products. The company's main products include LED headlight bulbs, LED fog lamps, and other automobile lighting products. Alright guys, here's the Novsight N12Y LED headlights. This is designed for H4 socket type, so it will fit into most common or most modern cars. Now let's take a quick look what's inside. Now we have here the owner's manual. You can find the specifications and the installations here. We also have some gloves, so this is for our protections while installing. Here are the headlight bulbs. Look how gorgeous these headlight bulbs are. The Novsight N12Y LED headlight has a Bridge Lux COB LED technology. These bulbs are 72 watts and operates at 9 to 32 volts. It has a light output of 10,000 lumens and the color is 3000 Kelvin bright yellow. The housing is made out of aviation aluminum 6063 and this is IP68 waterproof. These bulbs can last up to 100,000 hours. Now let's go and install our LED headlight bulbs. We will install these headlight bulbs into our 2019 Honda Brio RS. And this installation is almost similar to the majority of modern vehicles. Okay, first we need to remove the H4 headlight socket out from the stock halogen bulb. Then remove the rubber dust cover to get access into the main bulb. Gently unhook the bulb lock and remove the stock halogen bulb. Remove the socket from the LED bulb, then place it inside and then lock it. Now put the rubber dust cover back into place. Then insert the LED bulb into the socket. Just make sure that the LED bulb is inserted all the way through, then rotate the bulb clockwise to lock it in place. Now connect the H4 harness into the LED H4 connector. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the same installation steps in the other headlight. Alright, so now let's try to test it. As you can see, the fan is moving and the headlight now is on. Alright, so our Novsight N12Y is officially installed. It's time to hit the road and do a test run. I mounted my action cam above the windshield to capture the actual brightness of the headlight. I did capture some footage from inside of my car, but it's a bit darker because I do have a dark tint installed. Nonetheless, the light intensity of N12Y is so bright I can clearly see the road even in the darkest part of the road that has no street lights. Now overall, I love the light intensity and I think this is perfect for all weather application. This is really a way better option than our stock headlight. Again, huge thanks to Novsight Auto Lighting for sending me these LED headlight bulbs to test. So watch out guys, we still have more videos coming your way for this LED headlight video series. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any new video upload. So this is Dan of Carbits. Stay healthy, drive safe, and God bless. And I'll see you on our next video.